Hi, I'm Shadia Bola, Director of Public Health for Warwickshire. As you'll be aware, from the 19th of July, England will move to the final stage of easing of COVID restrictions. This means that face coverings will no longer be required by law. There will be no limits on how many people can meet, and social distancing will no longer be mandatory, with the exception of hospitals and places like passport control. Whilst this all sounds like great news, we must remember that we're still living with COVID. We know that COVID cases are continuing to rise in Warwickshire, and hospital admissions, albeit in small numbers, are also increasing. We also know that with the easing of restrictions comes an increased risk of both catching the virus and passing it on to others. So, whilst we welcome moving a step forward to a more normal way of living, we need to ensure that we learn to live with the virus safely and responsibly. Face coverings and social distancing may no longer be compulsory, but they will still protect us. We know that these measures are effective at helping to reduce transmission, and it is recommended that you continue to use a face covering in places such as shops, crowded places, and on public transport. At Warwickshire County Council, we will be asking you to wear a face covering when you visit our buildings. These measures not only help to protect you, they reduce the risk for others around you, including those who are vulnerable or anxious. And if you're anxious, please remember support and advice is available. Our hotline is still open, and there are some helpful ideas on our Every Mind Matters web pages. As we move forward, it is essential that we continue with the vaccination rollout too. Not only does the vaccine give you significant protection against the virus, it also reduces the likelihood of serious illness if you were to become infected. Everyone over the age of 18 is now eligible for a vaccine. If you haven't done so already, I would urge you to book your appointments through the national booking system at nhs.uk or attend a local drop-in centre. The more people who come forward for both jabs, the greater the level of protection we all have. Regular testing also remains key for both those who show symptoms and those who don't. Try to take a lateral flow test twice a week and remember to report your results. Please also continue to wash your hands regularly and use hand sanitizer. As a community, we all know that COVID 19 will be with us for some time to come. But with the lessons we have learned throughout the pandemic, coupled with testing and vaccines, we can restrict the spread and learn to live with the virus safely and sensibly. Only by working together can we make a difference. So please continue to do the right thing and support each other and stay safe. Thank you.